empty the coolant. I'm going to try doing that into a bucket, I think, maybe. Oh no. That's a lot. That's all of it. There we go. Now we're free. Hello and welcome back to the channel. My name is Matt and this is Matt's Motorworks. Today we have the first non-wide body wagon Subaru on the channel that I'm going to be working on. I want to introduce you to my 1998 Subaru Impreza Outback, also known as Lil Red. Lil Red is powered by an EJ22E 2.2 liter 4-cylinder naturally aspirated engine, mated up to a 5-speed transmission with bent shift forks for nearly every gear. There's somewhere around 230,000 miles on the chassis and an unknown amount of miles on the engine since it was either replaced or rebuilt. I had gotten this car for Winter Rally X events and I was going to break it in half. I never ended up getting it running well enough to even do so. I have decided that the short block of this car is going to be used in an NAT build in potentially an upcoming project, so we're going to remove it from the car today. While I'm introducing the car, you can see on the screen, this is footage from August of 2022 when I was redoing the entire timing system to see if the issue with the rough running was a missed or skipped tooth when it was rebuilt in the timing system. It didn't end up being the issue. I believe it was something in the wiring or ECU related or something funky. I don't remember at this point. But we removed the engine from the car and put it on a stand for later use. You'll see that at some point in the future on the channel, but chronologically, this is up next. Yes, we already started. I know, I ran out of storage, didn't realize that, so I was transferring some video, freeing up some space, and kind of got going anyway. Just removed a couple of the auxiliary parts here. This is turning out to be significantly easier so far to break down for disassembly and removal than a turbo motor, which is great. I think I'm going to keep going and see how much stuff I can get off of the top, and then I'll jack the car up a little bit and undo the motor mounts and the bottom of the bell housing bolts, and then maybe I'll drop this thing back down. We have to empty the coolant. I'm going to try doing that into a bucket, I think, maybe. And then what do? AC condenser has to go that way. Power steering pump has to go that way. Guess I'll remove those. Throttle cable. What other wires do we have going on here? Just the alternator and starter, and this looks like all the engine connectors back here. Okay, there's not that much stuff. So I'll prop you up and we're gonna keep tacking it. I think I'm gonna have to drain the coolant. I need something to drain that into. Actually do the right thing, and the catch thingy out, so let's see how much of a mess we can make doing this. See? Well, I pulled the plug on this, right? Yeah. Oh no. That's a lot. That's all of it. Mallory's gonna be pissed. Oh, did that just break? I think it did. That's swell. It did. Broke when I was taking it off. Okay, next. This looks like a good radiator. I'll try to keep that. Pop this guy off. Why did that pull out so easily? Oh, and now it's in the cooler. Let me see. Yeah, both wires just pulled out the back of that. Like so easily. I was not pulling on the wires. This thing out of the way. Exhaust manifold studs on the right side, passenger side, came out. Oh yeah, that's gonna come out. All right, we need the jack to lift the transmission, just a hair, and we're gonna need the engine crane. We're not doing too bad actually. All things considered. Okay, we have our floor jack. So the current issue is I didn't lift the transmission up. I just put a ton of pressure on the actual subframe mounting to the transmission, which lifted the whole car, which is not helpful. So I'm gonna have to reposition the jack to actually lift the transmission up, because I can't get the engine up and off of the engine cradle. There we go. Now we're free. really kind of need an engine stand. Oh God. All right. This up for a sec here. Let's clean up a little bit and we'll think. What do I do with an engine though? Shoot. That's the issue at the moment. Second engine stand. I can't believe my wife let me buy this. Good old Harbor Freight. Oh God. Can I do this without the directions? Hi Charles. You coming to help? I feel like you're right in Daddy's shot. Oh, you got bored. Nothing for you, huh? Over it. Okay. What do we think we do first? This guy. Which way does this go? I might want to read the instructions. I'm pretty sure I'm right, but... I want to go eat dinner. Do actual reading. Oh, I think the biggest workout was trying to get this thing around the car. So now it's in the garage. I really just don't have the energy right now to stuff this into the corner back there where it's going to go for now. So I'm going to move this chair and kind of just jam it in the corner. And then I'm going to get some dinner because that was a long day. But I'm glad that we got it out. One step closer to freeing up the driveway.